Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get classic start menu get back in your Windows 11. First, you have to open your browser and then you need to download OpenShell. Before that, you need to go for openshellmenu.com. And after you will getting this website and simply click on download now. And click on download now, OpenShell 4.4.170. Click on download now. So you need to come over into the asset folder and here you need to download OpenShell setup for 4.4196.exe. And after clicking on that, as you can see, I rightly downloaded it. And now if you just click on it, it will get installed. Click next, accept the license agreement and then click next. Next another time, click install. And as you can see, the installation is completed. And now if you click on finish and if you click on your start menu, you can see we'll get Windows 7 style. Also, there has lots kind of settings, taskbar, scheme, basic setting. So right now, I just only show you the classic start menu and click start, click OK. And now, if you just click on it, as you can see right now, it's showing like Windows 7, the classic start menu. Also, you can do it by simply click on taskbar settings. And if you just go for task behavior and make it left, as you can see right now, it's rightly showing our start menu. Now, if you search any of app, like if you just go for classic Explorer setting, if you just search here, you will get the setting over here. And now you can change it by your choice. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel.